In the plugin, select the Economic Joist Converter option. That opens up this dialog on the side here. You're going to input your maximum allowable depth, your total loading, and your live load, both of those in pounds per linear foot, or PLF. And then what this tool does is once you select your joists, you can analyze it based on this criteria, and it's going to suggest the most appropriate and economical joist designation options for you. So we can see some options here for the 3 selected ones. We've got some 24 LH options available. And once you've selected what you're happy with, you can update the selected joists, and that'll update our model as well. And if we switch views here, you can see that those selected joists are indeed 24 inches deep compared to the adjacent 16-inch deep ones.